How to zoom in or zoom out in Discord. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So open your preferred browser or your application version of desktop application of your Discord. So after that, in order to zoom in or zoom out, basically there are two different methods. Number one is to simply drag your mouse pad or your touch pad using your finger. Simply expand your touch pad and it will zoom in, and then simply drag it inside to make it zoom out. So you cannot actually zoom out using this feature, but what you can do is simply press Control and then plus for zooming in, then Control and minus for zooming out, like this. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.